Hey guys, come shopping with me at my local ShopRite to stock up on some of my favorite household products from the Paperbird line sold exclusively at ShopRite. I'm always looking for quality products that won't break the bank, so when I found the Paperbird line, I knew it was a brand my family could rely on. It truly is a one-stop shop for all household products with so many different items to choose from. Literally every time I go shopping, I'm always finding something new added to the line. Check out the Paperbird line today at your local ShopRite. So here is a quick hack of everything that I picked up from the store, starting off with the 2-roll ultra strong paper towels. Picked up their reusable extra strength erasers. These are really good for getting those scuff marks off of the wall. A thermal scrubber. I'm planning on using this to wash some dishes, get all of my dishes nice and clean. I also found their multi-purpose cleaner with bleach, so I'm really excited about that. Their 360 duster kit, it comes with 1 handle and 5 pads, so you are good for a really long time. I then also picked up their utility sponges. I came in a 2-pack. I also picked up this pre-treatment laundry stain remover, so this is gonna be really great for getting those stubborn stains in our clothes out. I also got their free and clear fabric softener, so this is good for 60 loads. I also picked up their heavy duty scrubbers and sponges. So this is a 3-pack, so it's really gonna be good when it comes to cleaning because it has that kind of like buffer side to it. So that's really gonna be good. I picked up their laundry detergent and we got the lavender scent. My daughter Riley said she really wanted the lavender, so we picked that up, but they did have other scents to choose from. I grabbed their dishwater detergent packs. This is the 18-pack. They did also have a humongous tub as well. So if you have a larger family and do a lot of loads of laundry, this is going to be perfect for you guys. I got the heavy duty scouring pad, so I'm definitely going to be scrubbing the stove top with this, so that's going to be good to get all those dirty scuff marks off. And then the last thing I picked up was their clean scent fabric refresher. So this is going to be good to spray down all of our furniture, the ottoman, our sofa, all of that kind of stuff, just to keep our house nice and fresh.